Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Linear to ClickUp with Fields easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Linear workspace. Identify the project you want to transfer tasks from. Select all the tasks that you wish to export. Look for the export option in Linear. Choose the format that best suits your needs, typically CSV or JSON. Download the exported file to your computer. Open ClickUp in your browser. Navigate to the workspace where you want to import the tasks. Locate the import option within ClickUp. Select the format corresponding to your exported Linear file. Upload the downloaded file from Linear. During the import process, map the fields from Linear to ClickUp. Ensure that titles, descriptions, and any custom fields are matched correctly. Review the import settings for accuracy. Proceed with the import process. Wait for ClickUp to finish importing your tasks. Once completed, navigate to the imported tasks in ClickUp. Review them to ensure everything transferred smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments to the tasks after the import. Confirm that all tasks are organized as intended. You have now successfully transferred tasks from Linear to ClickUp with Fields. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.